Hello guys, happy Easter. Tonight I don't want to do a live because you are in a holiday and I don't want to spoil your night. So as you can see, the market is continuing going into the big trend. And this is a good sign for 2021. And I hope that the market will be doing the same as last year. Because last year, from the end of March, it was going up until now. So let's see the chart very quick. So as you can see, the chart, now the beginning of the big trend, when it did happen, it happened here. This is the beginning of the trend, which is, I will give you the day, the exact day, which is 24 March 2020. Okay? Now, as you can see, what is the beginning of this year? Let's see here. What is the beginning of 2021? Okay, Monday 4th. This is the beginning of 2021. Let me see if it's correct. Yes. It's this red candlestick. Now, so here, as you can see, beginning here, beginning of the year 2020, there is the downtrend that you see. I call it coronavirus downtrend because the news of coronavirus hit the market and America got a lot of coronavirus and the news. So 1 month, the stock market was going down. Now, from that time, from the 24th of March, you see the big trend. So if you bought stocks all the way from last year, you will be making a lot of money. Now, what did happen today? This here, after this line, after this vertical line, is 2021. Okay? So the stock market is going up. But understand that this year here, this is 2021, what we say, January, February, March, and then we enter to April. The stock market is doing good. But understand that the sectors are not all doing good. Okay? That's why you can see, guys, this is what we call the sector shift. Now, what does it mean, this sector shift? It means mutual funds will sell some stocks and will buy others. This will make the volatility in the market, and it makes a big change. So let's go to the explanation. I will explain this in general, just to bear with me. Now, Dow Jones is let's say here, okay, Dow Jones is going up, okay, in 2021. Now, when you see it's going up, it doesn't mean that all the sectors are going up, okay? So what does it mean? It means that this is the Dow, it means Dow Jones, this is the average, it's going up. But in terms of sectors, let's say sector 1, 2, 3, 4, just an example, okay? 5, 6. What will happen? You see that some sectors are going up, but unfortunately, some sectors are going down. Now, how this happen? It means mutual funds they do the sector shift. Sector and industry shift. Now, what does it mean? It means they go to a sector and they begin to buy. And on the contrary, they begin to sell other sectors. That's why in the market, in terms of stocks, you find stocks that are beginning to go up like this. But unfortunately, there are some stocks which are going down. Now you think that there is like company, they begin to say to news, earnings. It's not about that. It's just the mutual funds that are buying and selling. That's why we have all this shift. It has nothing to do with the company. It has to do with buying and selling. And if you understand this, you will understand the whole market movement. And if you understand this, you begin to make money. Just look at the sector that it is doing good. Even if you don't buy stocks, you can buy ETFs. If you don't want to buy like stocks, which are more volatile, you can buy ETFs, exchange traded funds. Now, let's say this sector is doing good, you buy and you leave it. Sector 2, sector 3, they are doing good. Now, sectors that are doing bad, you can buy, for example, put options. You don't buy a lot, just to buy some and leave them. Buy, for example, for 3 months, 6 months, okay, and just see. If these stocks continue to go down, you will be making money. You can even buy call options for these stocks also if you don't like to buy stocks or you don't have money. Okay? So this is in general what you see. Now this happens each year. That's why the people, when they see some stocks they are in, they begin to make money, and then these stocks begin to go down. They don't understand why these stocks are going down. They go to other stocks, they see that these other stocks are going up very fast. So they get astonished. What's going on? Understand that the stock market is not about the company. It's about the stocks buy and sell. Okay? It doesn't mean that these companies are losing money. No, none of that, because they are a lot. Okay? It's not because they lose money. It's just because mutual funds, they sell these stocks. Now, when they sell, they should go down because they have a lot of shares. Because they are big players of the stock market. So we follow the mutual funds. Now, if you follow the mutual funds, what they do, okay, you will understand the whole picture. When you understand the whole picture, picking stock will be just very simple. It's not a big deal. Okay? Although you can buy stocks later. For example, the stock, let's say I will give you the example of the stock market last year. Okay? Now, look here. Let's take this. Let's take this and we try to give you an idea how this works. Okay? Just bear with me. Now, let's go to the explanation. So look, guys, here. Now, here is the deal in trading, in what we call swing trading. Okay? If you are an expert in swing trading, when do you buy here in the market? you should buy here at the beginning, because you have some techniques, you have some strategies that spot the beginning of the trend. It doesn't mean now when you can buy here, you can buy here, you can buy here, you can buy here, you can buy here. You can buy at any time and you can make money, although you are late. But understand, swing traders who follow the trends are always buying from this. Now this area from the 24th to the first week of April, 24th of March to, let's say 1 week or two, let's say to the first week of April. Now we in our trading account, we bought in the first week and the second week. Okay? It means from 24th of March to the first week of April. If you go to my trading account from 24th March 2020 to let's say 6th or 6th of April, you will find that almost all our stocks, we bought them here. That's why last year we make 140 here. Here, for example, in November, or I think in November we stop. I think with this downtrend we stop. So we get all these 5 or 6 months. This is the trend, okay? But this trend continues. It was not that much good, but it continues. Okay? So you need to know when there is a reverse of the trend. This needs techniques, needs that you should have strategies how to find this thing. Now, if you go here, you can find a lot of stocks that go in the 24th March to the first week of April. Most of the guys who make money, too much money, they begin here. Now, let's give you another thing. But understand that the stocks are not doing the same. Okay? So, just an example. This is just, I will just give you how things work. So, for example, you find stock number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay? So, this stock, let's say, has made 200%. Now this, let's say 350%. Now this, I know that most of the people they don't understand, but I will tell you this example. Maybe this is 900%. This, for example, 50%. Now, here you will never know which one will be the biggest winner. For example, this one, you told me, oh, last year, is there any stock that did 900%? Yes. Tesla, for example. Tesla has been $200. It goes to $2,200 before the split. So this is nearly 900%. It's from the end of March to sometime. Some stocks, they do 200, sometimes they 300, sometimes 400, sometimes 50. It depends on the stocks that you have bought. So since you don't know, you should buy many stocks. You don't buy all your money with one, because sometimes you can wait 200, but if you buy only one, you can have 50% or you can have 25%, and you lose all the big profits from the other stocks. So it's better to split your account into many stocks and you just leave them. Okay? So, but when the time is already, for example, here, after this, let's say here, okay, let's say here, I give you the thing. Now, let's say these stocks, all of them, they reach their peak. Now, what they do, they begin to go down like this. So you should sell to have all these profits. Now, if you hold, you will be losing all your profits, and maybe some of you who have been making a lot of money, but they stay too much and they begin to lose money. They think that this stock will continue going up many years, but this is not true. You are not doing investing. You are doing swing trading. You are doing trading. You should sell when the trend dries up. Okay? When the trend dries up, you should sell. Some of the people, of the traders who have no experience, they leave the stocks go down, go down, go down. Let's say they make here 200%, and then they find that they make only 50% because the stock is here. So it's here, like it's like here. So they lose all this kind of money. So you should know where to exit. Okay? So guys, in these weeks, we are looking at a lot of stocks that are going up and a lot of stocks that are going down. In my subscription, I always have stocks that are stocks updates. We just put them into a list. And I always show which stocks are going down and which stocks are going up, and explain why. For me, it is not about the company. Oh, they say the company has bad earnings. No, not all the companies have bad earnings. They have good earnings and the stock is going down. So it is not the company itself. It's just that the trend has finished. Mutual funds, they want to take their money. Hedge funds, they want to take their money, so they begin to sell. When they begin to sell, everybody will follow. So the last guys or the last boys who sell at the end, they lose it all. Okay? In our trading account, we will see some stocks that are going up, some stocks going down. All the stocks that we have profits, we sell them. Some new stocks, we buy them again. They are different sectors, different strategies, different industries. And this is how to follow the market. Understand that swing trading is about the trends. The trends are basically made by mutual funds. I told you many times. The hands of the mutual funds, you will see them in sectors, in the market. You will see them. But most of the people, they don't know how to see these things. But it's very easy techniques. Okay? That's why I make my subscription. And the people, when they follow me, they will see this movement in the market and they can take advantage. I don't think that last year, from March, no one in my subscribers has lost money. All they have made money. It doesn't mean that I know or they see the future. I don't see. But I buy stocks and I show them why I bought them. And I show them if stocks go down, I am wrong. As usual, sometimes you buy some stocks, they don't do well. I sell them and I show why I sell them. This is the trading into hand, what we call trading on hand. It means you see the live of the market each week. You see what's going on, why I buy, why I sell. And this is this is the training for all the people who are serious. Not the people who are like, they come with $500 or $1,000 and they want to become a millionaire in 1 month or two. This is not my channel. You should go to other people who can make that for you. But for me, no. For me, it's just people who are serious about trading to understand what's going on. Now, if you are an investor, it's another thing. If you are an investor, I always talk also about golden subscribers, about investing, how to invest, what stocks to invest in, how to choose them, all about technical analysis. Yes, there are some fundamentals that you can search for, but mostly they are technical analysis. Okay? And that's all. So thank you very much, guys. And as usual, we try always to follow the market. We try always to see what's going on. What are the stocks that are going down? What are the stocks that are going up? And I try to adjust my account always to sell what is bad, to leave what is good, and to buy the new ones that comes from the market, the new market. Each year things change. Sectors change. They don't, for example, that's why they do mistakes. Last year, we have some sectors that are doing good. Now, other people, they think that this will stay this year. Now, some of the sectors, they go down. Now, they buy stocks and they are going down. They say, oh, they will go up. And they see the market is going up, but these stocks are not going up. So you will understand that it is a bad sector that you are in. And if you don't exit and buy other sectors, you will lose all your money, all your profits, and all your money. Okay? So guys, thank you very much, and see you next week.